Two fintech giants, Payoneer and Novo, both promising to revolutionize your business finances. But in 2025, which platform truly delivers? On the left, Payoneer, a global payment powerhouse built for freelancers. On the right, Novo, smart banking designed for small businesses and startups. Let's skip all the usual hype and dig into what really matters for your money. We'll score each category, and you'll see exactly who comes out on top. And trust us, the verdict might just surprise you. So, just to give you a roadmap, here's what we're going to look at. First up, pricing and fees. Then we're talking international reach, card and payment features, the target audience for each, integration and features, customer support, and of course, reliability and processing. Got all that? Keep it locked right here. Okay, starting off with pricing and fees. And honestly, who doesn't stress about banking costs, right? First up, Payoneer. It's got a pretty transparent fee structure, and those FX rates, not bad, especially if you're working with clients from all over. But you do have to watch those withdrawal and transfer fees. Plus, if you're moving money across currencies, there's going to be a conversion cost. Now, Novo's approach, I actually love. No monthly fees, no minimum balance dramas, and you get free domestic transfers. Super cool for small US-based businesses. But hey, if you're sending money internationally through their Wise integration, you'll pay a wire fee. All in all, if we stack these up, Novo totally wins the round. Just so much easier on your wallet for most businesses. All right, international reach. Here's where Payoneer flexes big time. You get access to banking in, get this, 190 plus countries and over 70 currencies. That's wild. And managing all your currencies isn't even a problem. Only thing is, if you're strictly US based, it can honestly feel like a lot. Switching gears to Novo, it's solid, but not quite on that same global level. Supports around 80 countries, 50 plus currencies via Wise, and those international transfers won't break the bank. Downside? Its global footprint just isn't as massive, and you kind of need to receive international wires in USD only. So, winner here? Easy. Payoneer takes it for global hustlers, hands down. Now let's chat card and payment features. With Payoneer, you get a global ATM card. Seriously, use it pretty much anywhere, and withdraw in local currency in tons of countries. They've also packed in a bunch of payment methods. Only catch, sometimes those ATM withdrawals come with fees, which, yeah, annoying. Novo's card game, a little more basic. You get standard debit card functionality, and it plays nice with payment apps, sure. But honestly, users have reported some limitations with the card, even a few issues getting the card in the first place. So, in terms of flexibility and global usability, I'd say Payoneer's got this round locked in. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Payoneer serves over 5 million users spread across 190 plus countries? That's an insane reach for a business payment platform. Just goes to show how big their network really is. Target audience. So, who are these really for? Payoneer's awesome if you freelance, run an online biz, or deal cross-border a lot. It plugs right into most major marketplaces, and the whole system is built with global businesses top of mind. On the flip side, it can feel like overkill if you only work domestically. Now, Novo is pretty much perfect for US-based small businesses and startups. It's set up for local operations, really intuitive, and doesn't try to wow you with a ton of international extras you'll never use. But if you snag lots of overseas payments, you might feel a little boxed in. So this round, gotta say, it's a tie. Each one nails their vibe for the right audience. Let's move to integration and features. Payoneer is awesome at connecting to marketplaces with mass payout tools and slick compliance stuff, but you can definitely feel a bit limited if you want it to act like your whole business software stack. Novo, though, honestly, kind of surprised me. It integrates with Stripe, QuickBooks, Shopify, you name it. Their invoicing tools are way smarter than most banks, and the whole thing feels mobile first. If you want your banking to play nicely with business tools, Novo's got a real edge. Definitely the winner for integration and extra features. Customer support. Oh boy. Payoneer offers online support and covers 17 languages, which sounds great, but the stories out there, slow responses, tough problem solving, especially if you hit a complicated snag. Novo keeps things pretty straightforward. Business hour support, online help, but it's not exactly 24/7, and a few users complain about payment processing. Compared to Payoneer, Novo still comes out slightly ahead for support, even if perfection isn't on the menu. Finally, Reliability and processing. Payoneer's been around since 2005, so, it's got history. Over 5 million customers trust it with their cash, and that kind of track record isn't easy to beat. Sometimes people run into withdrawal delays, which, let's be real, just sucks. Novo is more recent, but it does handle domestic transactions fast, and you definitely notice that it's a modern banking platform. But I've heard about some rejected deposits and a few ACH payment issues. Just typical growing pains. Still, Payoneer's reliability is tough to match in 2025. Winner here is Payoneer. Here's the lowdown from all the categories we just covered. In a nutshell, Novo is the champ for pricing, integration, and support, while Payoneer rules the roost for international reach, card features, and long-term reliability. Audience match? Honestly, that's all about you and your business style. So, what's my take? If your business is all about going international, Payoneer is a total powerhouse. Multi-currency, massive reach, loads of payout options. Now, if you're stateside, keeping things simple, and love smart tech integrations, Novo is a super solid pick. Depends what you need, but both can make life way less stressful. Ready to simplify your business payments? Think about where you want your business to go. Global domination or smooth sailing at home? And pick the platform that fits those ambitions.